Welcome sa panibago nating tutorial. Sa video na ito, pag-aaralan natin ang You're Losing Me by Taylor Swift. At para updated ka sa mga bago pa nating tutorial, don't forget subscribe. Okay, simulan na natin. Ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay C, D minor, A minor, at F. Pagdating sa C, second string ay first fret, fourth string ay second fret, and fifth string ay third fret. Next ay D minor. First string ay first fret, second string ay third fret, and third string ay second fret. Next ay A minor. Second string ay first fret, and then third string at fourth string ay second fret. Next ay F. Second string ay first fret, third string ay second fret, and fourth string ay third fret. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, ang gagamitin natin ay down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Ulit, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Try natin sa C. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, and then D minor. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. A minor. And then F. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. You say I don't understand, and I say I know you don't. And then ulit lang sa C. We thought our cure would come true in time, now I fear it won't. Remember looking at this room, we love it 'cause of the light. Now I just sit in the dark and wonder if it's time. And then sa pre-chorus, do I throw out everything we built or keep it? Okay, yan po ang verse natin. And then pagdating naman sa pre-chorus, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay G, A minor, at F. Pagdating sa G, first string at second string ay third fret, fifth string ay second fret, and sixth string ay third fret. Pagdating sa strumming pattern ng pre-chorus, ang gagamitin natin sa G ay down, up, down, up. And then pagdating sa A minor, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Ulit sa G, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then pagdating sa F, buo na yung strumming pattern. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, pagsamahin natin ulit sa G. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. Okay, and then pagdating naman sa pangatlong G, A minor at F, buo na yung strumming pattern niya, kagaya lang ng sa F, sa pre-chorus. Do I throw out everything we better keep it? I'm getting tired even for a phoenix, always rising from the ashes, mending all her gashes. You the final blow. Pagdating naman sa chorus, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay A minor, F, G, C, at C over B. Pagdating sa C over B, second string ay first fret and fifth string ay second fret. C over B. Pagdating naman sa strumming pattern, una ay down lang yung gagamitin natin. Pagdating sa A minor, down lang. F down, G, C, and then ulit lang sa A minor, down, F down. And then pagdating sa G, mababago na yung strumming pattern. Ang gagamitin natin ay down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then pagdating sa C, down, up, C over B, down, up, down, down, up. Ulit sa G, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then A minor, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. G, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Balik lang sa C, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. And then C over B. Sa chorus, stop, you're losing me. You're losing me, stop. I can't find a pulse, my heart won't stop anymore for you. You're losing me. Okay, yan po ang chorus natin. And then pagkatapos nyan, balik verse to lang ulit. Same chords at strumming pattern pa rin po, kagaya lang ng pinag-aralan natin kanina sa verse 1. And then pagdating naman sa bridge, ang mga chords na gagamitin natin ay C, G, A minor, at F. Strumming pattern, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. Sa C, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then G, down, up, down, down, up, down, 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 up. And then pagdating sa A minor at G, mababago na yung strumming pattern. Sa A minor, down, up, up. And then G, down, up, down, down, up. A minor, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. And then F, balik na ulit dun sa una nating strumming pattern. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up. How long could we be a sad song till we were too far gone to bring back to life? I gave you all my... And then ulit lang sa C. Best miss my endless empathy, and all I did was bleed as I tried to be the bravest soldier. And then mababago na yung chords. Fighting in all your army, front lines, don't you ignore me. You're losing me. And then ulit lang sa G. Marry me either, a pathological people pleaser. Only wanted to see, and I'm fading, thinking, do something. And then pagkatapos niyan, mababago na ulit yung strumming pattern. A minor, F, G, C, at C over B. Okay, pagdating sa strumming pattern, ganun pa rin po. And then pagdating lang sa C at C over B, mababago yung strumming pattern. Pagdating sa C, down, up, up. And then C over B, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. A minor, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up. Down, up, down, down, up, down, up. Okay. Do something, babe, say something. Do something, babe. Feel something. Choose something, babe. I'm fighting. Okay, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating tutorial. Sana po ay may natutunan kayo. At kung nahihirapan naman po kayo ay practice lang at makukuha nyo rin yan. Abangan nyo na lang ulit ang susunod nating tutorial.